Here's how to stop automatic updates in Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, go ahead and open the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen and then open the Services app. Search for Services and then open it. Click anywhere in the list and press W to quickly find Windows. Now select Windows Update. Double click on it to open its properties, and in the General tab, change the startup type to manual or disabled, and then select Apply and then OK. Now in the search bar, type in Windows Update, select Check for Updates, and here you'll get the option to get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Simply turn this toggle off. Now restart your computer and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.